Ever wondered how some designs make the subject really pop while keeping the background soft and dreamy? Today, I'm going to show you how to blur backgrounds in Canva, giving your images that professional touch in just a few clicks. Start by selecting the image you want to work with. Once it's on your canvas, click on Edit Image. Canva gives you two main ways to blur your background. The first is autofocus. This feature automatically detects the subject and blurs everything else, saving you time and giving a clean, polished look instantly. If you prefer more control, head to the Adjust tool. Here, you'll find a blur slider that lets you manually set the intensity of the blur. Slide it left or right until your background looks just right without affecting your main subject. Want to get even more creative? Canva allows for selective blurring. Click on the blur effect, then use the brush tool to paint over the areas you want blurred. This way, you can emphasize exactly what matters most in your design while keeping the background subtly soft. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can make your images look professional, eye-catching, and perfectly balanced. Next time you create a design, try experimenting with these blur techniques to give your visuals that extra pop.